Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Citigroup versus Morgan Stanley. Which one is better? So, for the overview of the business focus, the key strengths of Citigroup is retail and commercial banking, credit cards, and international markets. While for the Morgan Stanley, it is investment banking, asset management, and institutional services. For the main revenue source, on the Morgan Stanley, it is wealth management and institutional services, while on the Citigroup, it is consumer banking and corporate lending. For the stock and investment performance, metric as of 2025 for the dividend yield is 3.5%, while on the Morgan Stanley is 3.1%. On the PE ratio on the Citigroup is lower or undervalued, while on the Morgan Stanley it is higher, reflects premium status. For the risk level, on Morgan Stanley, your risk level is moderate but exposed to market downturns, while on the Citigroup, it is higher due to exposure to global markets and regulations. So, which is best for investors? If you want a steady growth and strong financials, Morgan Stanley is better. But if you want a cheap stock with recovery potential, Citigroup could be a value play. For the career opportunities, on the Citigroup, its work culture is corporate and global, slightly bureaucratic. It is best for retailing banking, global markets, and operations. For the salary and bonuses, it is competitive but lower for retail banking roles. And for work-life balance, it is better in consumer banking. While for the Morgan Stanley, for the work culture, it is competitive, fast-paced, and high finance. It is best for investment banking, trading, and wealth management. For the salary and bonuses, higher compensation, especially in investment banking. On the work-life balance, it is high pressure with long hours in IB. So, which is best for careers? Morgan Stanley if you want to be in high finance, while Citigroup if you prefer a broader career path in retail, commercial banking, or global finance. Now, Citigroup is better for regular banking customers with credit cards, loans, and retail bank services, while Morgan Stanley is for high net worth individuals needing expert wealth management and investment services. So, which one is better? Well, for investors, Morgan Stanley is much better. For careers, Morgan Stanley is much better too. But for banking customers, Citigroup is much better. And that's basically it.